The encounter between the Super Eagles and Rwanda saw Osimhen open scoring with a side-footed finish from teammate Ademola Lookman's free kick. The 26-year-old Osimhen then doubled the Super Eagles' advantage after stealing the ball on the halfway line and slotting it over the Rwanda goalkeeper. With the 2-0 victory, Super Eagles are now third in Group C, following South Africa's 2-0 victory over Lesotho. Their next match against Zimbabwe is beat for Tuesday at the Godswill Akpabio Stadium, Uyo. Meanwhile, the Super Eagles have arrived in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, ahead of the second World Cup qualifier against Zimbabwe. In Benin, Elizabeth Omoko, NTN News.